Hello and welcome back to Tableau Experts. Today I'm going to showcase one of the excellent functionality where we don't want to write any calculation field for that. So let me showcase the simple option. Let me create a line graph, or if you want, you can also go for a bar graph or something like that, any particular chart. But basically for line graphs and bar graphs, right, most of the cases, whenever we are going to showcase the label, sometimes in a project they want to showcase the recent one, the most recent one, or the last or the first value. Basically, we are going to write a calculation field to capture the first record or a last record, right? Or anyhow, we are going to make use of some sorting based on a date or depends on that. But the requirement is if you want to showcase the most recent one, generally instead of going for the calculation field, you have an option to go for labels where you can see a most recent, right? And sometimes if you want to showcase the line ends or line starts or starting and ending value, we can make use of line ends. And if you want to unselect the starting value, just unselect that particular checkbox so that you can showcase only the recent one. But still, you have a flexibility to go for most recent one in this particular option here, the labels. Still the same, but whenever we are going to work with bar graph, generally you don't have an option to go for the line and or something like as I said, it is a bar graph where you don't have an option to go for starting value and ending value, something like that. We do have line ends, right? So we don't have a starting and ending values for that. So you have an option to go for most recent one. For this particular bar graph, right, if you want to showcase the starting value and ending value, basically you have to go for the calculation field. So but for this particular option, generally just prefer the existing functionality in Tableau in the labels most recent. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe.